Outside styling is without a doubt Hyundai with the corporate falling grille and split headlights. The essential lights are in a different opening underneath LED daytime running lights. Mechanized flush entryway handles include a cutting-edge detail, while air-centered 18 or 19-inch Hagos column rooftop supports enhance the ever-basic streamline execution. Size-wise, it fits between the present Tucson and the new Santa Fe, being longer and more extensive than the previous and riding on a more extended wheelbase than the last mentioned. There is 30 cubic feet of freight space behind the agreeable for grown-ups second column, 1/3D square not exactly in the Tucson. A 2-talk directing wheel, a couple of 12.3-inch shows, a push-catch transmission, and a skimming focus stack consolidate for an inside that looks in no way like that of some other Hyundai, spare just the typeface for the different controls. It's a breezy lodge with full-width plan components to help that feeling of room.